Riding the Sherman-L like a boss, no doubt. Electric wheels spinning, hear the motor shout. Those in the sky, yeah, they're taking flight. 3D prints stacking, working day and night. Crash clips rolling, the crown is mine. YouTube live, I'm on the grind. Friends are wild, they're one of a kind. Surprisingly decent, you'll never decline. Spin it, crash it, live the thrill. Surprisingly decent, I'm keeping it real. Electric unicycles, I'm king of the hill. Surprisingly decent, feel the bass spill.
White sheet on the harbor, New Bedford breathing like it hurts to breathe. See that boat out there, brown color on this glass, all kissing frozen teeth, crews all squinting, slow. What's this boat doing on the ice? Bro, don't belong out in this slice of winter. Frozen harbor, frozen ocean, hope it makes it home in one piece. What's this boat doing on the ice? Still in a place built to bite and splinter. Frozen harbor, frozen ocean, slide it in slow, slide it in safe. Wind cuts straight through, cuss words in the air. Coffee gone lukewarm, hands stuck in my sleeves. Orange vests on the ball lines ready, nerves on edge, you can feel that crowd every time it shifts. What's this ball doing on the ice? Bro, don't belong out in this slice of winter. Frozen harbor, frozen ocean, hope it makes it home in one piece. What's this boat doing on the ice? Still in a place built to bite and splinter. Frozen harbor, frozen ocean, slide it in slow, slide it in safe. They're crawling in the port now, engine sounding tired, whole crowd holding breath like the tide forgot to move. If it scrapes, if it bends, just let it still float. We can fix a scar, can't fix a boat that never made it home. What's this boat doing on the ice? Bro, don't belong out in this slice of winter. Frozen harbor, frozen ocean, hope it makes it home in one piece. What's this boat doing on the ice? Still in a place built to bite and splinter. Frozen harbor, frozen ocean, slide it in slow, slide it in safe.
Oh, the wind is too fucking windy. It knifes through my thrift store coat. My beak is froze to my coffee. Got icicles under my throat. They say what a beautiful snowfall. I say you can eat that shit. My shovel snapped, my back is cracked. I'm so very done with it. So hoist that bitch ass winter high and eat it off the pier. It's too fucking cold for living or drinking outside with beer. snow piled up on the sidewalks, a fortress of frozen white lies. They say go play, make an angel. I say I'd rather eat my fries. My UC sits there whimpering like Captain, when do we roll? I pat its shell and whisper when hell warms up from cold. So hoist that bitch ass winter high and eat it off the pier. It's too fucking cold for living or drinking outside with beer. Can't ride my wheel, can't feel my face. My joy's in thermal jail. Oh, I hate this goddamn winter. May it slip on its own hill. Yo! Yo!
Domes in the sky, they're painting the air. VR in my eyes, I'm floating somewhere. 3D prints the carbon dreams, making the unreal more than it seems. Modest faced, but you know the game. You'll remember my name. Surprisingly decent, that's my name. Quiet on the surface, but I light the flame. Surprisingly decent, yeah. You knew it's true, a Loki legend breaking through. Pixels collide, my world takes shape. Ideas unleashed, there's no escape. Echoes of tech hum under my skin. A future unfolding, let's begin. Surprisingly decent, that's my name. Quiet on the surface, but I light the flame. Surprisingly decent, yeah. You know it's true, a Loki legend breaking through. Click play, let the bass line drop. Not at beats, they never stop. Dreams materialize frame by frame. This is the rise of a decent name.